The Maytag washer error code F15 indicates a problem with the motor control unit. This error is commonly caused by faulty wiring, a malfunctioning motor, or a faulty motor drive belt. To fix the error, start by inspecting the motor control wiring connection. Unplug the washer and remove the top or front panel to access the motor control unit. Check the wires for loose, frayed, or corroded connections, tightening any loose ones, replacing damaged wires, and testing the fixed connections. If the issue persists, check the motor for faults, such as loud noises during the wash cycle, and ensure the machine is receiving enough power. If the noise continues, access the motor by removing the back panel, check for obstructions, and inspect for damage, replacing any damaged elements and reassembling the machine. Additionally, inspect the motor drive belt by unplugging the washer, removing the back panel, and checking for damage. Adjust the tension, clean any dirt buildup, and grease the belt as needed, replacing it if worn out. If none of these solutions resolve the issue, it's recommended to contact a professional for further guidance.